Next up, surface area of cubes. So as we talked about in our first videos, the surface area of rectangular prisms, the surface area is the sum of the areas of the faces of an object. So what we're looking at is taking the surface area, the area of this square, and adding it to this, and adding it to this. Right? In a cube, all the sides are the same, so all the faces are the same. They're all squares, and there are 6 of them. So the area of a square is side times side, and there are 6 of them, so it's 6s squared. And again, when you think of surface area, I want you to think of, if you had to paint this cube, how much paint do you need? If you had to put, wrap this present or something, how much wrapping paper would you need? Number one, we're talking surface area of this cube, 6s squared. Surface area is 6 times 4 squared. 6 times 16, that would be 96 square centimeters. And that's it. Pretty simple stuff for the cube. A little more difficult for the prism, the rectangular prism, because the length and the width and the height could be different. Number 2, surface area of this cube, 6s squared. So it's 6 times 13 squared, 6 times 169. So 6 times 169 is 1014. And that's it. Number 3, working backwards. So now we want to find a little s when we're given the surface area. So 2400 is equal to 6s squared. Whenever you're given surface area, you just make this simple substitution right here. SA is given to you. Cool. So it's 2400 divided by 6. That's 400. And then to get that by itself, all you want to do is take the square root of both sides. We want to get s by itself, so it's 20. The side length is equal to 20 centimeters. Alright, so that is how to kind of work backwards with cubes. There's not really much else to it. It's a really simple little idea. Like I said, cubes are way easier than rectangular prisms because all the sides are the same. In our next video, we'll talk about, we'll get into cylinders and cones and pyramids and spheres.